What is it, Chris?
Meatloaf. Booyah!
We're making
Meatloaf coming in hot. Welcome back, everybody, to the Fit Girl and the Beef Boy. Somebody was on her phone, so I started without her. Booyah!
Did you just say Fit Girl and the Beef Boy?
Beef Boy.
Wait a minute.
I'm not fat boy anymore. I'm just kind of beefy.
Aww, he's cute, little beefy boy.
All right, back to the fat boy.
Beefy
To the
boy.
Fit Girl and the Fat Boy. We have a special treat for you for Valentine's Day, or as I like to call it, VD. Let me paint a picture. Dad, you're chilling. Don't know what to do for Mom for Valentine's Day. You're like, oh, I forgot to buy something. I forgot all this kind of stuff. What am I going to do? Oh, I'm running out of ideas and options, and I don't have any time left. I know what I'll do. I'll involve my kids and make something fun, because then my wife won't realize that I forgot, and I'll be able to give her something really cool, and the kids can be involved, and it's super sweet, and everybody gets involved, and it works out great. But what are we going to make?
Let's tune in to the Fit Girl and the Fat Boy. I bet they have something for us.
Meatloaf.
And we do!
Dad gets meatloaf, Mom gets surprise from the kids get to be cute, everyone's a winner, especially me, because since we're cooking the show, we have to cook the meatloaf like 3 times, which means I get 3 times the amount of meatloaf.
So as you guys know, I am a dietitian, and this is the foodie chef.
I'm not a dietitian.
This is a healthier meatloaf. Do you wish you were a dietitian?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, it is.
I thought this was full on meatloaf.
No.
Alright, I'm less excited.
So healthier meatloaf, but we always tell you less than 10 ingredients, less than 30 minutes. Don't count like the few spices on this and it'll be less than 10 ingredients. So this is a heart, there's little mini heart-shaped meatloaf. So really fun for your kids, for your significant other. We're gonna make the meatloaf and then we're gonna show you how to make heart-shaped potatoes to go with it. And you're gonna serve it with a salad and it's gonna be good to go. First thing you are going to do is we're gonna make a bowl, or we're gonna put some olive oil in this. You got your pan. You got your pan. All right, so it's super easy. So take 1 zucchini and chop it up. Take a small onion, chop that, throw that in here as well. And then take half of a red pepper, throw that in there. A teaspoon of thyme.
Careful with that one. You can get out of hand real quick.
Half a teaspoon of basil. Half a teaspoon of oregano. 3 cloves of garlic. Like how I put that in a shot glass. Am I missing something? Oh, salt and pepper.
I was gonna say,
Look at you, chef.
Just salt and pepper.
Chef Grande in the house. Okay. That's good, yeah?
No.
I would just do like a half a teaspoon of salt.
I would do 30 times the amount of salt that she does.
That's true. So you're gonna saute that for 10 minutes on medium. And then we're gonna let it sit at room temperature, but you can put it in the fridge to heat that process up.
I mean, speed it up.
Speed it up.
Cool it down.
So now we're gonna do the potatoes. These are the cutest little potatoes. So you're gonna take a potato and slice it up. And then cut it into hearts just like this. I'm gonna show you all that time.
So, let me tell you what you're actually gonna do. So, what you're actually gonna do is you're gonna take a potato and you're gonna figure out with your stamp which way it needs to be cut. And then you're gonna cut them. And then you're gonna stamp it out. And then if you're really careful with it, you can press out the middle of the heart, and that'll come out, and then you'll have the outside that also is shaped like a heart that you can cook as well. Fun fact, if you wanted to, you can keep those for tomorrow morning after they're already cooked, and you can do poached eggs inside of them, and do potato and poached eggs in the shape of a heart for Valentine's Day. Booyah! That's right.
That is why he is here as the foodie, and I will just give you the science. And I would say use about 4 medium potatoes. Once you cut those out, they look like this. See how cute they are? And put them into a pot of boiling water. with about a teaspoon of salt. Put salt, and you're only gonna put them in that boiling water for about 3 minutes, so just to soften. All right, after you've done that, this has probably been about 10 minutes.
Is this for the meatloaf?
This is for the meatloaf. This is for the potatoes. Did I mess it up?
No, I'm just concerned about this meatloaf. I'm not gonna lie to you people, if it doesn't taste good, I'm gonna let you know.
It's true. And then all we have is the second part of the mixture, which is the meat part. Okay, so let's take that. It is a pound of meat.
Wow. I prefer 80-20 or 90-10. She goes 93-7 because she's healthy, but I would not go 93-7 if you're looking to be the fat boy in the relationship.
That's it. 1 egg. So usually they put half and half turkey and half beef, and he never knows. Oh, now he knows.
I feel like my life is a lie now.
4 ounces of tomato sauce. So you can tell we're not using ketchup because ketchup has a ton of sugar and high fructose corn syrup.
Both of which are delicious, but apparently not good if you want to be skinny. So I've found out.
And then you're gonna take that vegetable mixture, throw that in there. We're gonna mix that up. Go ahead.
So mix that up, and then we're gonna grab this heart-shaped pan that we got at Michael's.
Isn't this so cute? I mean, this is adorable. Look at this. These are gonna be awesome for your kids, like for their snacks, even for your husband, your wife, your partner, whatever. If you wanna bring it to a friend at work, could you imagine? Once you're done with that, just top this with a little bit of tomato sauce.
Why not a lot?
Well, because you don't want it to be too watery. You know, like too moist. And look, we're making the heart nice and red. Oh.
It's kind of cannibal-y. Like,
Meat heart.
kind of cannibal-y looking. Don't tell your wife that when you give her this for Valentine's Day. Leave the cannibal stuff out.
All right, then you're gonna bake these 350 degrees for 30 minutes. These you can do separate, you can do after. So once you have these hearts, okay, you can do a lot more. We're just showing you for right now. You're gonna put these in the oven, 350 degrees. You can broil them for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and then flip them over and do them another 10 minutes. You are good. Okay. So you have these here as your final product. We hope that you like them, or your friend or your coworker, your partner likes them.
I prefer coworker because that would be hilarious.
Would you enjoy a meat heart if I gave you a meat heart?
I would love a meat heart.
See? Which means Valentine's Day. So thank you for watching. And for more videos that we upload every single week that are quick, easy, healthy along my terms, but
Quick-ish, easy, mostly healthy, always.
I think they're quick and easy.
Quick-ish.
Less than 30 minutes, less than 10 minutes.
Quick-ish.
Less than 10 ingredients. Anyway, like, subscribe. We'd love you to support our channel in that way, and we look forward to helping you more. Bye guys. Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's